Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe. Hey folks, it's Mike and we're just on the way to the cottage. There's a white pickup truck behind me and we're just going to turn left here and whoa! White pickup truck's not behind me anymore. It's in front of me. So I laid on my horn and watch Bro Mingo here. He doesn't particularly like having the horn laid on. Nice sunglasses. He's got the bald head and the goatee. Good stereotype going on here. So he asked me if I had a problem, and I said, no, you cut me off. And he got back in his truck and drove off. In a hurry. In a serious hurry.
And 2 drums and 2 sticks, I'm beatboxing. Hey, I wish he would. We gon' treetop. I just blew up 50 out the safe. I had to reach. He would. We gon' treetop. I just blew up 50 out the safe. I had to reach.
He's still got the pain in axe or whatever. Yes. That's his main weapon. But since he's got this ring that lets him throw perfect spirals, before they sent out Glenn, I remember one of his favorite movies, The Patriot. Daryl took the nunchucks and he melted down the chains of the nunchuck, and he's making little grenades out of that, metal. He's got like a satchel of small explosives that he's made with Walter that have the metal of Glenn's nunchucks. That's great.
Вообще, блять. Really?
To see if these federal bureaucrats are active in their job.
He was too busy mansplaining to them.
Oh,
that's what he was
boy,
doing.
he
I was offended by that.
And see, that just gets a little bit Jeff, sorry, business, especially the food industry, I would say, I don't underestimate them.
That sounds horrible.
That's going a short foot pursuit occurred, and during that foot pursuit, officers, at least one IMPD officer, discharged their department-issued firearm at least one time, striking that suspect.
Are reluctant to buy their next car because they're worried
Continuous recording will now start.
Hello? I will. I'm just chasing Alex.
I have her. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. What you doing?
Talking confident.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.